this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get ungated in books, CDs, DVDs on Amazon as a complete beginner. And a lot of people end up in different scenarios, but if you're watching this video, you're definitely gated. And some people are gated in all books starting out. Hopefully that's not you. But if it is, I'm sorry. There's probably some books you can sell. You just haven't looked hard enough. Most people are in the boat of they can sell some books, but not all. And you know, it can feel like 80-90% of the books you're not able to sell. The number one thing you can do, and the most valuable thing I'm going to say in this video, is sell the books that Amazon allows you to, ship them to Amazon FBA, get some sales. Eventually Amazon is going to open the floodgates and let you sell all books, or most books. There's some categories, there's some brands that do take a little bit more effort, which I'll go over in this video as well. At the very end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a pro tip on basically how to remain invincible on the Amazon FBA. So make sure to stay until the end. So below, I've linked a 100% free sheet to help you guys get auto ungated in books. So if you guys open this up, this is updated for 2025 with the highest chance success rate of getting ungated. So what you're going to do is click on the second tab at the bottom here. It says new ungating list. And you can simply copy and paste these ASINs on Seller Central. You're going to paste the ASIN inside here. I'm using a shoe as an example here because my account can sell all books, but you're going to see the same thing that I'm seeing here, which is the option to apply to sell this product. Now, it might not let you apply to sell. Don't stress, just try other ASINs. Now, when you click here, all you're going to do is click on request approval. It might auto-ungate you, hopefully, or it might request invoices, which for books, don't worry about providing invoices. I'll go over what to do in a second. And then, yeah, those are mainly the scenarios we're running into. And so our goal here is to get ungated in as many of these different book brands as possible. So all these publishers, just manually copy and paste each one on Seller Central. And if that sounds tedious to you, it is, and that's why I've created a software solution for it. This is free. If you guys get the free trial, you can do it for free, and then if you like my software, you can use it. My software helps you guys create shipments. It's called GoToLister, quick at Amazon, but we have something that really helps you get ungated fast, which is the bulk upload feature. So what you'll do is click on create batch up here. Inside the batch, you'll click on bulk upload. Just make sure the source and buy cost are entered. You can just make one up if you don't have one. Then here, you're going to see after you bulk upload everything, it's going to throw it all in the batch. You'll be able to click on apply, and it's super, super fast. So if you guys want that list, it's below. Be sure to click on the second tab down here. It says new ungating list. There's two tabs. The first tab has instructions, and then click on file, download as a CSV. It's super important you download it as a CSV, otherwise it's not going to work. Click on bulk upload, select CSV. Then you're going to select the CSV right here. It says new ungating list. Open, and voila. It is going to allow you to list all those books. Some of them will be listed because you can sell them, but most of them won't. And the ones that you can't, again, this is a vetted list with the highest chance of getting approval. What you're going to be able to do is quickly click on apply for all of them. Okay. That's how you're going to get it in books. For CDs, DVDs, we're going to head on over to christianbook.com, and we are going to first get ungated in DVDs. So what you're going to click on is the DVD category, which I already did. So click on, I'm already in DVDs, but click on DVDs and it's going to show you all the DVDs. And then if you click on price and do $0 to $5, our goal here is to find the cheapest DVD that we can request approval to sell. So all you're going to do is keep looking through these DVDs, copy and paste them in Seller Central. Find one that Amazon does not let you sell, because Amazon might let you sell some. Find one they do not let you sell, and then buy 10 units of that if they're requesting 10 units. If they're requesting 100 units, you got to buy 100 units. It's going to be much more expensive. I'm not saying to do this, but you know, Christian Book does have a return policy, I believe. So you just make sure to give them some business in the future if they helped you get ungated. But what you're going to do is make sure when you buy this DVD, same exact process for the CDs. So just click on the CD section, get the cheapest CD, cheapest DVD. You can do them in one invoice. You can do them in two invoices. Just make sure your name or your business name are matching your Amazon account. So whether your name or your business name is on the Amazon account, make sure it matches. Make sure your address matches on the invoice, and make sure the number of units they're requesting, hopefully it's just 10, match. Then what you're going to do is take that receipt, take that invoice, upload it to Amazon on that request approval page. And if it doesn't work the first time, keep trying again and again and again. It might take 30 tries, it might take 60. It's pretty crazy, but just make sure all the information is correct and it'll eventually work. Okay. This also works for video games. It also works for brands. So everything I just went over was category restrictions. So CDs, DVDs, books are categories. There's also brands, Marvel, DC Comics, Guitar Hero. So what you can do is kill two birds with one stone. If you know you come across Marvel books often, that's a good one to try, or DC Comics. Buy a book on here, buy a DVD on here, and we're not using this for books. I misspoke. Buy a DVD on here that also is a Marvel or DC. I don't even know if DC Comics has DVDs. Warner, whatever the brand would be, and then you're getting Ungated in the category DVDs, but also a brand like, let's just say, Harry Potter. Okay. So I don't know if Harry Potter is a brand. I know Star Wars is, though. So that's how you get Ungated in categories, CDs, DVDs, books, and also brands at the same time. And the pro tip to remain invincible in Amazon FBA is email me if you guys ever run into issues. I have a ninja of an account health specialist. Don't take this lightly. I know it's a public YouTube video, blah, 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 whatever, but you guys stayed until the end. Took me damn near 8 years to get contacts like I have. So if you guys ever deal with red restrictions or you can't even request approval on anything at all, reach out to me. If you guys ever deal with a crazy account shutdown, anything Amazon health related, I promise you I have the best contact. So reach out to me and I can introduce you privately. So that's it, guys. Much love. And if you guys have any questions at all, comment them below and subscribe and like the video. Peace.